Good morning, Holistic Travel Guy here at the Bayfront Inn on 5th Avenue in Naples, and we're going to do a room tour this morning. Here's our two-bedroom, and here's the bathroom on the right as we walk in the door. And it's a very tiny bathroom, and it's very dated. The room is very dated with old fixtures. The shower door doesn't slide very well, and they tried to do some minor renovations, but the whole room needs renovations. The carpet is very old, so this room was is worth about half of what we paid for it. It's not a very good condition room, and it's very dated furniture and fixtures. It is got two nice comfortable beds, a little mini fridge right over there, and a big screen TV. And then over here is the best part of the room, is the view of the sunrise and the marina. So we're right on the water, and that's what you're paying for here basically. There's a boat going out to sea right now. We're right on the marina, and that guy's going out fishing nice and early. Look at him going out at sunrise. It's about 6:30 here in Naples. There's the 5th Avenue Bridge over there, everybody going to work, and maybe some people heading to the beach early for a nice beach walk. And then over here on the left part of the marina is a patio bar right there in the gazebo. Was closed relatively early last night. By 10 o'clock it was closed. But yesterday afternoon when we arrived, it was absolutely packed. There was no empty chairs available at that bar and the sidewalk patio. Another sidewalk patio over here on our left. And Naples is, and then another third one right past that, an Irish pub and sports bar just beyond. Naples is full of bars and restaurants. And in this day and age of COVID, that's a necessity to stay in business in this world. And you can see the beautiful sunrise coming up, and then you can rent kayaks down there for the day. And that's it for this room tour. We're going to go down to the beach pretty soon. We're going to try and get an early parking spot near the beach down in downtown Naples in just a few minutes. All right, we'll see you out at the beach after we have our breakfast from Starbucks, our Southwestern wrap right there. Already had our coffee, and then we'll see you down at the beach in a few minutes after the sun comes up.